come back. I can't find another 3/4 90 moment, which sucks. But I have an idea because I think I have to have this on, which is a temperature pressure valve. And then you also need a shut off, which I have. PEX over there, I think. But I'll have the shut off. I guess I should have the shut off, right? It doesn't matter, it can be on this side. It's not that hard. So what I'll do is I got a T, and I'll go off the T and just use this PEX with the TP valve on it already. And then I have my 90 in the TP valve. TP will be right here. This will go up. That's what I'll do. That is what I'll do. Yep. 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 I need some shorter screws and some strapping too. Man, I don't prepare for my jobs, but while I'm down here, I'm going to replace these filters in the water and also do another line. So, good day to be a plumber, I think. I mean, can I just go straight to there somehow? Yeah, that's not connected anyway. I'm going to go up to here and do something pretty with it instead of craptastic like it was before. Thanks, ex-plumber, who shall not be named. Marker. No, no marker. This way. Okay, this. That's how you measure it out of tape measure, by the way. It's not recommended because inevitably watch. Actually, it's pretty good. I want a little bit off. Just, I have to put the shut off in there, anyways. So, that's why I was really worried about it. YouTube. I guess I need to find. Go over there and see that if I can find the PEX connector. Might need 2 of them now. Always. And I need some strapping. And some little screws. Should write all this down with that pen that I don't have. I'm gonna go get that too. See if I remember any of this. Okay, YouTube, GoPro YouTube. Be back.